Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to hopefully remove a whiteboard non-permanent marker from your wall or some plastic trim around your whiteboard and maybe table. So let's get to it. Okay, in theory you need rubbing alcohol, and I choose to use a wet wipe as opposed to a tissue because this will not disintegrate when you are trying to clean something. First thing, obviously, try this. On the whiteboard, it works. And weirdly enough, it also works on some surfaces. So on this table, we are almost, yeah, if I rub it enough, we are almost perfect, but still some marks remained. Now I need to put some alcohol on, and yeah, like I need to say that it doesn't work on these things, obviously. Put some rubbing alcohol on this thing and start rubbing. Okay, it's folded up a little bit nicer, and let's try somewhere. Yep, but you might actually get off the paint. So what I'm thinking here, I might let this thing dry a little bit because now it's wet enough that it could actually damage the paint. So that's not a good idea. I think first I'm going to remove the marks from this plastic, which doesn't get damaged at all by alcohol. Yeah. You also need some elbow grease, obviously, but it's doable. And let me see here, we have a bit of what's left. Can you see it? Of a line somewhere here in the middle. Yep, it's going away. So this thing can be used for sure, but on the wall you need to be really careful because, as you can see, sadly it also dissolves the paint, at least my paint. This is washable paint, the kind that you get at, I don't know, 5 kilo or 5 liter buckets, and you put it on with a roller. But not alcohol proof in my case, sadly, so I need to try and find something a bit weaker. That's not funny. But anyway, even if it looks a bit like this, it's still better than red. And this is the end result after using lots of wet wipes with alcohol, tissues with alcohol, whatever. They are all full of paint and color. One of the spots was really stubborn. Even now we still have a bit of it, and the paint simply got too thin. So you can see it in real life. It's not that obvious as it seems on video, but anyway, yeah, the better your paint is, the easier it will be to do this, and the better your results, and the better these things are, again, the easier it will be to remove them. Mine are some stupid Chinese no names that, yeah, not easy to remove. On that, some marks remain. With more elbow grease you might be able to remove them completely. I'm not going to bother because almost fell down. We all know what the toddler will do the second she or he sees everything cleaned up. It will go to those things and put the art back where it was. So yeah, from a distance this thing is quite good. And now if you want, you can paint again over it. If you try to paint from the start with all those spots, that would come out through the paint, so that is a no-go. And yeah, that's about it. And on this thing, some really light marks still remain. Those went through the paint, no way to get them out. If you have it on wood like this that is not coated with anything, bare wood, yeah, good luck with that. If you do your best to get them out, you will just make them a bit lighter, but they will not never ever come out completely. And yeah, this is life with a toddler in the house. But this thing is clean, squeaky clean. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this video helps you. In which case, yeah, give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.